is our first 5-minute drive. Short moments on the road where it's all about cars, the sounds and the drive itself. Today we are in a rainy autumn narrow forest road outside Vallentuna. The kind of a day when the world slows down but the engine doesn't. And today the engine is sitting in a Volvo V70R. Swedish engineering with attitude. A car built for long roads, family and bad weather. It's heavy, it's confident, and that 5-cylinder under the hood has a voice of its own. It's a mix of refinement and raw power. The 5-cylinder wakes up, growling through the rain, echoing through the trees. It's a raw, mechanical and alive. Some drives clear your head, other make your heart race. This car does a little bit of both. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope I see you next Sunday.